Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, has just launched a groundbreaking initiative called Vote to List. This initiative is not just another feature, it represents a significant shift in how the platform operates and interacts with its user base. By introducing this program, Binance is aiming to democratize the process of listing new tokens, making it more transparent and community-driven. This program hands over the reins to the community, allowing users to directly influence which tokens get listed on the platform. Imagine the power of having a say in which cryptocurrencies make it to one of the most influential exchanges in the world. This is a game changer for both new and existing users, providing a sense of ownership and involvement in the platform's growth. It's a radical departure from traditional listing processes, putting the power of decision-making squarely in the hands of the people. Traditionally, the listing of new tokens has been a closed-door affair, often shrouded in mystery and speculation. With Vote to List, Binance is breaking down these barriers and inviting its users to be part of the decision-making process. This move has sent ripples of excitement throughout the crypto world. Enthusiasts and traders alike are buzzing with anticipation, eager to see which tokens will make the cut. The excitement is palpable, with social media platforms and crypto forums lighting up with discussions and predictions. People are eager to see how this experiment in decentralized decision-making will play out. Will it lead to a more diverse and inclusive range of tokens being listed? Or will it simply reinforce the popularity of already well-known cryptocurrencies? These are questions that only time will answer, but the journey promises to be an exciting one. This initiative promises a more inclusive and democratic approach to listing new cryptocurrencies. By giving the community a voice, Binance is fostering a sense of belonging and participation among its users. This could potentially lead to a more engaged and loyal user base, as people feel more connected to the platform and its success. Instead of relying solely on internal review boards, Binance is opening up the floor to its vast user base. This move is not just about listing new tokens, it's about redefining the relationship between the exchange and its users. By involving the community in such a crucial aspect of its operations, Binance is setting a new standard for transparency and user engagement in the crypto industry. It's a bold move that has the potential to reshape the way crypto exchanges operate. If successful, this initiative could inspire other exchanges to adopt similar practices, leading to a more open and democratic crypto ecosystem. The implications of this could be far-reaching, potentially changing the dynamics of the entire industry. Could this be the start of a new era of transparency and community engagement? The crypto world is watching closely, and the outcome of this initiative could set a precedent for future developments. Whether it leads to a more inclusive and participatory environment, or faces challenges along the way, it is undoubtedly a step in a new direction. The first round of voting is already underway. Users from around the globe are logging in to cast their votes, each one contributing to the future landscape of the Binance platform. The excitement is building as the countdown progresses, with everyone eager to see which tokens will emerge victorious. Users are presented with a curated list of tokens and given the opportunity to cast their votes. This list includes a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, from well-established names to promising newcomers. Each vote counts, and the community's collective voice will determine the outcome. The tokens with the most votes will earn a coveted spot on Binance, granting them access to a massive pool of potential investors and traders. This could be a game-changer for these tokens, providing them with the visibility and credibility that comes with being listed on such a prominent exchange. It's a high-stakes competition that has captured the attention of the entire crypto community. The stakes are high, and the potential rewards are even higher. For the tokens vying for a spot on Binance, this is a make-or-break moment that could define their future trajectory. This move by Binance has been met with a mix of excitement and apprehension. While many are thrilled at the prospect of having a say in the listing process, others are cautious, wondering about the potential pitfalls and challenges that could arise. While many applaud the exchange for its commitment to community involvement, others express concerns about potential manipulation and the influence of whales. The fear is that large holders of certain tokens could sway the vote in their favor, undermining the democratic nature of the initiative. Only time will tell what the long-term implications of this initiative will be, but one thing is for sure: Binance has once again positioned itself at the forefront of innovation in the cryptocurrency space. By taking this bold step, Binance is not only challenging the status quo, but also paving the way for a more inclusive and participatory future in the world of crypto. Not all crypto projects are celebrating Binance's new initiative. While many are excited about the potential for new listings, there are notable exceptions. The PiNetwork, a mobile-first cryptocurrency mining app with a dedicated following, has been conspicuously absent from the first round of voting. This has raised eyebrows and questions within the crypto community. This exclusion has sparked outrage and disappointment among PiNetwork supporters, who feel that their project has been unfairly overlooked. Social media platforms have been flooded with posts expressing frustration and disbelief. The PiNetwork boasts a massive global community. With users from all corners of the world, the network has managed to create a sense of unity and shared purpose among its members. Millions of users have downloaded the app and are actively engaged in mining Pi coins. This level of engagement is rare in the crypto space, making the PiNetwork's exclusion even more puzzling to its supporters. They argue that their project's large and passionate user base should have earned them a place on the vote to list ballot. The community's dedication is evident in their organized efforts to voice their concerns. Adding fuel to the fire is the fact that PiNetwork previously won a community vote held by Binance in 2021. This victory had raised hopes and expectations among its users. Despite securing the most votes, PiNetwork was never listed on the exchange. This unfulfilled promise has been a point of contention ever since. This broken promise has left a bitter taste in the mouths of PiNetwork supporters, who see this latest snub as a repeat of history. The sense of betrayal is palpable among the community members. The exclusion of PiNetwork highlights the challenges of balancing community input with the need for due diligence in the crypto space. It raises important questions about the criteria used for selection and the transparency of the process. While Binance has stated that all tokens included in the Vote to List initiative must meet certain criteria, the lack of transparency surrounding the selection process has left many questioning the fairness of the system. The crypto community is left wondering if their voices are truly being heard. As the debate continues, the PiNetwork community remains hopeful that their concerns will be addressed. They believe that with enough pressure and visibility, their project will eventually get the recognition it deserves. For now, they are rallying together, signing petitions, and making their voices heard in every possible forum. The resilience and determination of the PiNetwork community are a testament to their belief in the project's potential. Only time will tell if their efforts will pay off. But one thing is certain, the PiNetwork community is not backing down without a fight. They are determined to see their project succeed and gain the recognition they believe it rightfully deserves. The first round of Binance's Vote to List features an eclectic mix of tokens, with meme coins taking center stage. Among the contenders are Mubarak, a token that recently experienced a meteoric rise after a transaction involving Binance CEO CZ, and two broccoli-themed coins, inspired by CZ's dog. The inclusion of these meme coins has raised eyebrows within the crypto community. Critics argue that it trivializes the listing process and gives an unfair advantage to projects with large and active social media followings. They worry that Binance is prioritizing hype over substance, potentially exposing investors to unnecessary risks. However, proponents of meme coins argue that they represent a new and exciting aspect of the cryptocurrency world. They point to the passionate communities that have sprung up around these tokens and the potential for significant returns on investment. To them, the inclusion of meme coins in the Vote to List initiative is a sign that Binance is willing to embrace the evolving nature of the crypto market. The prominence of meme coins in the first round of voting highlights the growing influence of social media and online communities in the cryptocurrency space. It remains to be seen whether this trend will continue in future rounds, but it's clear that meme coins are here to stay. Despite the setback with Binance, the PiNetwork remains undeterred. The team behind PiNetwork has always been driven by a vision that extends far beyond the confines of any single exchange. They are committed to creating a decentralized, user-friendly cryptocurrency that can be mined on mobile devices, making it accessible to people all around the world. This vision is what continues to attract new users and developers to the platform, even in the face of challenges. The project continues to attract new users and is actively working towards its mainnet launch. The anticipation surrounding this launch is palpable, as it represents a significant milestone in the project's roadmap. The developers are working tirelessly to ensure that the mainnet is robust, secure, and capable of handling a large number of transactions. This dedication to quality and security is one of the reasons why the PiNetwork community remains so loyal and enthusiastic. PiNetwork has always maintained that it is focused on building a strong and sustainable ecosystem, and it sees the Binance snub as an opportunity to prove its resilience. The team believes that true success in the cryptocurrency world comes from creating real value and utility, rather than relying solely on the prestige of being listed on major exchanges. This philosophy has guided their development efforts and has helped them to build a platform that is both innovative and practical. PiNetwork is currently trading on several reputable exchanges, including OKX, which has provided a solid foundation for its trading activities. The presence on these exchanges has allowed PiNetwork to reach a wider audience and to demonstrate its potential as a viable cryptocurrency. Bitget and Gate.io. These platforms have been instrumental in providing liquidity and market visibility for PiNetwork, helping to establish it as a credible player in the crypto space. The support from these exchanges is a testament to the project's potential and the confidence that the broader crypto community has in its future. It has shown promising trading volume and price stability, indicating a healthy level of interest from the crypto community. This stability is crucial for the long-term success of any cryptocurrency, as it helps to build trust and confidence among investors and users alike. The consistent trading activity also suggests that there is a strong and growing demand for PiNetwork's coin. The project's supporters remain confident that PiNetwork will eventually earn its place on major exchanges, even without Binance's blessing. This confidence is rooted in the belief that the project's fundamentals are strong, and that its unique approach to cryptocurrency mining and distribution will ultimately win over skeptics. The community's unwavering support is one of PiNetwork's greatest assets, providing a solid foundation for its continued growth and development. The PiNetwork team is hard at work developing the platform's functionality and expanding its ecosystem. They are constantly exploring new ways to enhance the user experience and to integrate the PiCoin into various applications and services. This ongoing development effort is critical to ensuring that the platform remains relevant and competitive in the fast-evolving world of cryptocurrency. They are focused on building real-world utility for the PiCoin, with plans for decentralized applications, dApps, that can leverage the unique features of the PiNetwork. These dApps are expected to provide a wide range of services and functionalities, from financial transactions to social networking, all powered by the PiCoin. This focus on practical applications is what sets PiNetwork apart from many other crypto projects, and integration with various businesses. By partnering with companies and organizations that can benefit from the use of PiCoin, the team aims to create a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem that drives real-world adoption. These partnerships are essential for demonstrating the practical value of the PiCoin and for building a sustainable and scalable platform. This focus on tangible use cases sets PiNetwork apart from many other crypto projects. While many cryptocurrencies are primarily speculative assets, PiNetwork is dedicated to creating real value and utility for its users. This commitment to practical applications is what makes PiNetwork a unique and promising project in the crowded crypto landscape. The PiNetwork story is a reminder that the cryptocurrency world is about more than just listings on major exchanges. It's about building strong communities, developing innovative technologies, and creating real-world value. The journey of PiNetwork exemplifies the potential of cryptocurrencies to drive positive change and to create new opportunities for people around the world. It's about building strong communities, developing innovative technologies, and creating real-world value. The PiNetwork team understands that true success comes from creating a platform that people want to use and that provides real benefits to its users. This focus on user-centric development is what will ultimately drive the project's success. While a Binance listing would undoubtedly provide a significant boost to PiNetwork, the project is well positioned for success, regardless of the outcome of the Vote to List initiative. The team's dedication to building a robust and user-friendly platform, combined with the strong support of its community, ensures that PiNetwork will continue to thrive and grow in the years to come.